We all see aesthetic physique and exercises to get that desired body, but we miss the lower body part exercise. This video will be unique if you watch the full without skipping. Let's not waste time. Here is what you need to do. But first of all, subscribe to our channel now. More important content is coming for you. Back to the video. Step 1. Activate your body. This is like turning on all the switches, waking up every muscle, and getting ready for the workout ahead. Imagine you've just woken up from a nap, and it's time to shake off that sleepy feeling. We're going to start with a simple yet effective warm-up to increase your heart rate, boost blood circulation, and set the tone for the rest of the workout. As you march in place, lift those knees nice and high and swing your arms gently. Feel the energy flowing through your body. This step is like giving your muscles a gentle nudge, telling them, hey, it's time to get moving. It's the foundation that prepares your body for the more targeted exercises coming up in the next steps. Remember, this is your wake-up call, and we're just getting started. Step 2. Squat magic for glutes. We're going to perform squats, a fundamental exercise that targets your glutes, thighs, and hamstrings. It's like sitting back in an imaginary chair, engaging your core and lower body muscles. By keeping your feet shoulder-width apart, pushing your hips back and lowering yourself down, you're activating and strengthening those key muscle groups. Step 3. Lunge into greatness. We've activated our body and worked on those squats for the glutes. It's time to focus on shaping those legs with lunges. Picture this step as the superhero moves for your lower body, sculpting and defining your thighs while building strength and stability. Lunges involve taking a confident step forward, bending both knees and lowering your body down. This dynamic movement engages your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, giving your legs a fantastic workout. Alternating legs with each lunge ensures that you're targeting both sides equally, promoting balance and symmetry. Step 4. Tippy-toe magic for calves. Tippy-toe magic involves a simple yet effective movement, lifting your heels off the ground and then lowering them back down. This action specifically targets your calf muscles, giving them a workout that contributes to a more defined lower leg. It's like adding the finishing touches to your sculpted masterpiece, ensuring every detail is highlighted. This step not only strengthens your calves, but also adds a touch of elegance to your lower body profile. It's the cherry on top, completing the overall aesthetic appeal of your legs. Step 5. Chill time. Cool down. It's like a victory lap for your muscles. Stretch your legs, wiggle your toes, and take a deep breath. This is your moment to let your muscles know they did an amazing job. It's like giving them a big, happy hug after all that hard work. There you have it. Journey tailored to your dream lower body. If you found this workout helpful, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing.